Hey y'all, so I am getting ready to head out to the store. So before I head out, I'm gonna make the meal plan for the week, and then I am definitely headed by Aldi, but I have a lot more time this week, so I may stop at a few other stores. So we'll see. I'll share everything when I get back. So first, let me get this meal plan finished. So I'm going to do some quesadillas and rice. Then I'm going to make like some calzone sort of ham and ricotta rolls and some pepperoni and cheese rolls. Then we'll have burgers. Then I'm going to do a baked penne. And then some white bean chicken chili. All right, so I am going to head out and I will share everything when I get back. Alright you guys, so I am back. So I ended up stopping at quite a few places. So first I ran into Walmart. I needed some canned pumpkin. I don't think Aldi has theirs out yet. So I picked up a can of that. And then I saw this Minute Maid Zero Sugar Mango Passion Fruit juice. So I thought that'd be fun. So I picked that up. Also needed some more of my vanilla ratio yogurt for the week. And y'all, I saw this rainbow colored cauliflower rice. I don't know, it says it's new. I've never seen it before, but I thought it looked so pretty. So I picked that up. I figured if I'm going to eat cauliflower, it might as well be pretty. So I picked a bag of that up. So we spent around $11 at Walmart. Then I swung into Trader Joe's and I picked up some of their pimento cheese. This is like a must buy every time I go. I absolutely love it. It has such a nice sharp cheddar flavor. And then you guys, I did not know that Trader Joe's carried blistered peanuts. I absolutely love blistered peanuts, so I had to pick up a bag of them. I was out of coconut milk and it was a good price, so I just picked up a can of the coconut milk. I also was looking for the 21 seasoning, but they were out of stock. But I did see this, I think it's Ajika Georgian seasoning blend. It doesn't contain any sugar, and I thought it would be really good to put on top of like some veggies, or maybe on top of like a burger, or saute up some mushrooms. So I picked that up to try because I've never tried it before. And then I saw this really colorful bow tie pasta. It looks so pretty. So I thought it'd be great in a pasta salad. And for whatever reason, I never seem to remember to buy fresh bell pepper at the store. So I just picked up a bag of the frozen bell peppers to keep on hand. And then my daughter has been loving fried cheese curds. She's been ordering them at random restaurants that she goes to. So I picked up a bag of the breaded cheddar cheese curds for her to try. They were, they had a new tag on them, so I guess it's a new item to have right now. And then I picked up a bag of the chicken fried rice for my husband and daughter when it's just the two of them. I thought this would be something quick and easy they could fix for dinner. And then I picked up a bag of orzo just to have on hand since it is coming into the fall. I thought it'd be great to toss into some soups. That's everything we picked up at Trader Joe's, and we spent around $25. So then I stopped into a local Harris Teeter, and they happened to carry two of my favorite flavors of pork rinds, which is the baconettes and queso flavor and the dots flavor. Both of these are absolutely delicious. I could sit and eat a whole bag in one sitting. They're both so good. We needed some orange juice, and it's very hard for us to find the Minute Maid brand, which is our favorite, but I haven't tried this one before, so I picked that up. They had this bacon, buy one, get one free, so it made each package only $3, which is a great price for bacon, so I got two of those. They also had the Ken's Steakhouse dressings on sale, buy one, get one free, so I picked up Greek because that's my favorite. And I'm just now realizing I picked up light. I didn't mean to do that, but I picked up Italian for pasta salad, so it'll work. I also love olives, and I love these little like on-the-go packs because I could just take one with me as a snack, and they were buy one, get one free. The Chobani Zero Sugars were also on sale. I think they were on sale 10 for $10, but I didn't want that many. But I absolutely love the pumpkin spice flavor of this, so I picked up 4 of those. The okra was 97 cents a bag, and I like to pop the okra in the air fryer with a little bit of seasoning. Oh, so good, so good. And then the Fayet sour cream is my absolute favorite sour cream, and it was on sale, so I picked one of those up, and we spent just around $35 at Harris Teeter. And then I finally swung into Aldi to get everything else. So I picked up a gallon of milk. The kids were getting tired of the mango juice, so I picked them up some grape juice this week. And then I got some almond milk, 8 containers of strawberry yogurt. And then I picked up 2 bags of marshmallows. Since the weather is nice this weekend, I thought we might do a campfire and maybe roast marshmallows. And just in case we don't do that, my backup plan was Rice Krispie treats. So I did pick up a box of Rice Krispies, and they still had the almond flour vanilla wafers, which I picked up some a few weeks ago and just love them. I think they're just, in my opinion, they're just delicious. So I picked up another bag to add to my stash because who knows if Aldi will continue to carry these or not. But they're a great price. I think they're only $2.29, and they're really good. So I picked up 2 bags of the sweet butter lettuce. They had nectarines on special, so I picked up a bag of those. The strawberries looked really good this week also, so I did pick up 2 packs of strawberries. I've been wanting some mushrooms here lately, so I did pick up a pack of the baby bellas to have on hand. I like adding this to my salads and just sauteing them up in butter. We got a cucumber and a couple of Roma tomatoes, a pack of Colby Jack and sharp cheddar cheese. Picked up some pepperonis and 2 packs of crescent rolls. This is what I'll use to make the calzone ham and cheese ricotta rolls and the pepperoni pizza rolls with. And so I did also pick up a bag of Italian blend cheese to go with that. Then I picked up a box of penne and a container of ricotta, and I'm planning to use the ricotta to test out like a keto bread recipe. And then the rest of it I'll use in the pasta and for the crescent rolls. And then they had this pumpkin flavored Too Good yogurt. I'm not a big fan of the Too Good yogurts. They're not my favorite, but I really wanted to try the pumpkin one, so I just picked up one of those. I got 2 blocks of cream cheese. Some of it I'm going to use for that bread recipe, and the other block I'm going to use to make pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Got a bag of broccoli to keep on hand, and then a 4-pack of hamburgers, which these are really thick, so I'm going to probably split these into either 6 or 8 portions. We don't like our burgers really thick, so I'll probably split it into 8. I also got some grass-fed ground beef and some hamburger buns. Picked up some more flour tortillas. We were totally out, and we often have quesadillas as like a backup dinner if I don't put it on the menu. Picked up some tomato sauce just to have on hand. Also got some refried beans, a couple of cans of corn, and then I got a couple of cans of the Great Northern beans to make the white bean chicken chili. Don't know yet if I'm going to toss some corn in. I may not sure. And then I also got 2 dozen eggs. So that is everything picked up at Aldi this week, where we did spend around $78 at Aldi. So all in all, I think between all 4 stores, we did come in right around $150 for the week, which I thought was pretty good. So I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.